In this video, I'm going to show you how to select MEV mode on Axiom. So the first thing you'll need is an Axiom Pro account, and there's actually a link down below in the description as well as in the pinned comment. If you sign up using my link, you'll get a 10% discount on all trading fees forever. So make sure to check that out. Axiom is one of the best platforms for trading meme coins. It's packed with a lot of different premium features that are completely for free, such as an amazing wallet tracker, an amazing Twitter tracker, a P&L tracker. You can set your own presets for fees. It has a lot of different great filters you can filter out, and then it has an amazing reward system which rewards you Solana and points just by basically doing trades and inviting people. And then it also has a turbo mode which will make your transactions a lot faster and your fills quicker, etc. So check it out, you will not regret it. Now, to actually select a MEV mode or MEV mode, whatever you want to call it, what you're going to have to do is you want to go to polls over here, and you can click on the coin you want. So for example, I'm just going to click on a random coin over here. And then when you want to set your MEV mode, you want to go down here on the right where you can see presets. So if you can't see these on the right, make sure you are in the normal chart view. If you're not, you're going to have to scroll down a bit over here on the right. So when you're in normal chart view, here you want to go to the preset, tap on the preset you would like, and then you'll see you'll have these settings, the slippages, priority, bribe, etc. And over here it says MEV mode. Now you can keep it on off, you can keep it on reduced, or you can keep it on secure over here. So let me show you what all these do. If you hover over this, the off will basically send trades as fast as possible to all Solana validators, okay? So reduced will avoid sending transactions to blacklisted validators to reduce chances of MEV attacks. And then they have the secure option, which is still in beta, which will only send transactions to whitelisted validators, and this can be slow, so basically you have to decide which one you actually want to use, okay? So that's pretty much it. That's how to select the MEV mode. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.